GLM 5.2 has just landed after the Fable 5 was removed, and GLM 5.2 right now it has 1 million context windows, which is a big improvement from 250 in the past. And right now it comes also with 2 reasoning options like high and max. And in this video we are going to put it to a test. In the past with GLM 5 I've created this solar panel website with SVGs and everything in their logo, and like this the GLM 5 did. It looks pretty good. And I'm curious to see how well this GLM 5.2 is doing. The GLM 5.2 it doesn't have image support, only text as the previous model. And right now I have configured in here the model with an Astro website, and in here I will just tell it to go and create this solar panel website with components and everything like that. I will not tell it to use any skills. Let's see if he will be able to see the skills directly. And I'm curious to see how fast it is. In the past it took 15 minutes. So right now I am using the max reasoning mode in here to see how it's going. And I have their top tier coding plan set up, and I'm curious to see how well it will do right now and if it will create an interesting website for us with nice visuals, and it will structure everything properly and test it at the end. Not all the models do a good job in here. For instance, Minimax M3 is not that great. I tested that in the past, but let's see what the GLM 5.2 is doing and how well the website and the SVGs will look like in here, and how fast this. Okay, it started creating the global file, it created the to-do plan, and right now he will go and create the details for us. Know that this is using the max reasoning, so it is the powerful reasoning option used. That's why it can take longer, because it will think for a long time, and hopefully it will be able to create something that is usable for us at the end. Lately, when I'm coding, I have mostly used the Chinese models. They're doing a pretty good job. In here, when I'm writing, for instance, articles for my bdoze.com blog, I'm using the one from Xiaomi, Mimo V2.5 Pro. It is very good at writing for coding. Also, GLM it's pretty good. So yeah, when I'm trying to do like small projects, I rely more and more on these Chinese models. Okay, it created the icon component in here with props and everything. Okay, symbols and things like that. We're gonna see. SEO components it's created. So Helios Solar, he decided to put the name. Yep, it's looking okay. Okay, it is changing the layout. And right now he's building the header and the menu for this. So I will just gonna pause this and came back to the end to see how much time it took and what he created. Right now it's at the end. It is just creating the readme page, and then the only thing that remains to be done is to build and verify that everything is working. So yeah, it finished in about 12 minutes without the build phase, which is faster with the max thinking than the previous model. Okay, it's removing the welcome. And right now let's see if the build and verify is successful. Most of the details are created correctly, it used props properly, so the structure is pretty good. It created components and it listened to what I've told him to do, to create sections with components, footer, header, SVGs. The pages are created, and right now we're going to go and see. Okay, passed cleanly. It is checking the output. Yeah, it wants to do a screenshot, but it doesn't have vision, so I don't know what he will do with that screenshot, but in any case, he finished. And right now, let's go and see npm run dev and see what he created for us in under 15 minutes, which is good. Old, new. Okay, so the animation is quite nice. The design is looking quite similar with what we've seen in the previous one, but right now the animation is smoother in here. Okay, yep, the reveal it's nice, and yeah, everything it's looking good. Okay, this is the services, projects, SVGs are there, testimonials, call to action, and footer. Yeah, it did a pretty good job, and everything is usable. Of course, this is the design that he decided to use. We're going to check previously. You see that it is similar with the previous one. Right now we added more things like this logo, which is pretty nice. Yeah, in here you see that it's looking okay. For the about, again, okay, yep. Yeah, the design it's clean and it did a pretty good job. Also, it used Astro pretty good. Let's see the services. Okay, this is pretty basic. Okay, pricing table, frequently asked questions. The design is pretty good. Contact. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, it's looking quite good, and I guess the mobile thing shouldn't have a problem. Yeah, so the mobile, it's okay. Nice animation on the logo. Yeah, so overall, the GLM 5.2, it did a good job. It didn't provide any errors, and it was quite fast. So I will gonna continue using the GLM 5.2 and see how it will do in the daily test that I have with my Hermes agent, and see if it is better than the GLM 5.1. And that's about it. In case you have something to add, please drop a comment so everyone can know. Thanks for watching, and in case you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy coding!